reality does not create your point of view. So it's the point of view you take about reality. Because you have so much power, the point of view you take about reality determines the reality that shows up. See, it's our different points of view that create the different realities we're all experiencing. Is your point of view right? Or is it just the point of view you've taken? Is it just the point of view you learned and bought from the people around you? Is it right? Or is it actually maybe even limiting you? Because if you didn't have that point of view, how else could things show up that you can't even imagine? So we're living in a world right now where all kinds of people have all kinds of points of view of what they've decided reality is, and they don't realize that the person standing next to them has a totally different point of view about what reality is because they've had a totally different life experience, but each of them are going forth as though their point of view of reality is real. No, it's just a point of view. Let that sink in for just a moment. Got 8 billion people on this planet with billions of points of view each about what reality is. Is it any wonder, functioning from this place, that people are having a little bit of a tough time getting along right now? When you start to look behind the curtain, you start to realize that these are all points of view, and here's the weird part, these are points of view that we've chosen. But you would sit there and go, wait a minute, I would not choose to have money as a struggle. I would not choose to have life as a struggle. I would not choose that, except what you don't realize is 99.99999% of the choices of points of view that you currently have were not cognitive. So many of the choices for the foundation of what creates your life are choices that you made before you could even talk. Now, how's that for something that blows your mind apart?